Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming minimal prerequisites, Glass Widgets 2, one installed and permissions granted. Next, tap plus new widget to start. Pick a size, because layout dictates data density and refresh costs. Once done, assign a data source, local file or live feed, so the widget knows what to display. Make sure to name it clearly, since names drive quick edits later. This first step moves you from setup to action, getting a tangible widget on screen to iterate. Once the widget exists, configure both how and why it displays specific information. Choose data type, static, API, or sensor, because that changes parsing rules and error handling. Then tailor layout, tweak padding, font size, color, and transparency so readability meets your context. After that, set a refresh interval. Shorter intervals show fresh data but cost battery, so enable battery-aware mode if needed. Finally, link interactions, like tap actions, so the widget becomes both informative and functional. You finish by previewing the widget across screen modes to confirm layout. Once happy, save and long press your home screen to add the widget, test taps, long press actions, and update behavior. If something fails, start troubleshooting. Check API endpoints, confirm permissions, clear cache, and verify refresh settings. Make sure your device's battery saver isn't blocking background refresh. That's a common cause. If problems persist, recreate the widget with a simple data source to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.